Hey everyone, Adam here. If you're looking to step up your creative lighting game, Altura Photo just released the AP-305 and RT-305 wireless flash trigger set. Now this flash trigger set is going to make off-camera flash photography easy and affordable. There are 3 versions of the AP-305 flash available for Canon, Nikon, and Sony DSLR or mirrorless cameras. Now the RT-305 is a manual flash trigger compatible with most cameras that feature a standard hot shoe. The Altura Photo AP-305 flash has advanced settings professionals are looking for, as well as the more automated TTL settings for when you want to keep it simple. It's compact, it's lightweight, runs on just 2 AA batteries, yet is very powerful with a high guide number of 36 meters or 118 feet at ISO 100. It also has fast recycle times for continuous shooting, which is great for events like weddings. This compact flash transmitter has the same 2.4 gigahertz wireless remote system found in the AP-305 flash. This manual flash transmitter has a range of 328 feet, and this range gives you a lot of versatility, especially when shooting interiors for real estate or food photography. This is also a great setup for shooting portraits. Having your flash off camera really opens up more creative possibilities. You can position the flash high or low for more directional lighting, or you can place it behind your subject as a dramatic hair light. In addition, you can set up multiple flashes in your lighting setup because the RT-305 allows you to control up to 3 groups of AP-305 flashes. There are many advantages of using this wireless flash trigger set. Unlike an optical system that requires line of sight, this flash and trigger combination is more reliable, allows for greater working distances, and gives you greater control over the positioning of your flash. And with 16 channels on the RT-305, you don't have to worry about interference from another flash during an event or photo shoot. Powered by 2 standard AA batteries like the AP-305 flash, you won't have any trouble finding replacements when you need it. This new flash features a bounce and swivel head, which gives your photos a softer, more diffused light. And the flash head tilts from -7 to 90 degrees and has a total rotation of 270 degrees. The automatic zoom head has a range from 24 to 105 millimeters, and when you extend the wide angle panel, it widens the coverage to 14 millimeters. It also features a Catchlight card which helps reflect the light from the flash, adding more life to your subject's eyes. The bright backlit LED display is a must-have feature in scenarios where you only get a few shots to nail the exposure. The flash settings are easy to navigate, and you can quickly fine-tune the exposure by using the wheel to adjust the flash exposure compensation plus or minus 3 stops. For more precise control, the AP-305 also has a manual mode which allows you to control the flash intensity from 1:1 full power to 1/128th the power in 3rd steps. The HighSpeed Sync mode opens new creative ways for achieving more dynamic outdoor portraits. It allows the AP-305 flash to sync at shutter speeds beyond its native sync speed at up to 1/8000th of a second. There are multiple ways to use your Altura Photo AP-305 flash. You can use it on the camera as a standard shoe mount flash, or you can take it off camera and utilize the 2 wireless modes. There's the built-in S1, S2 optical sensing mode, and there's the built-in 2.4 gigahertz wireless transceiver mode for greater control over the direction and quality of light. Using 2 AP-305 flash units will even give you off-camera TTL functionality as well as HighSpeed Sync, making this a compact, versatile lighting setup you can use anywhere. Another way to trigger your AP-305 flash is with the RT-305 manual flash trigger included in the set. This 2.4 gigahertz wireless transmitter is user-friendly and gives you complete control of your lighting environment. Now the power output of your AP-305 flash can be controlled directly from the transmitter itself, so that means you don't have to walk over to the flash to change it. Its interface is easy to use with a control dial to select the desired group, plus and minus button to select the flash intensity, and switches to select the channels. If you wanted to add multiple AP-305 flashes to the scene, you can add them into groups A, B, and C for a sophisticated lighting setup. Now you can also deactivate each group individually via the RT-305 flash trigger. Another great feature of this flash is that you have access to a custom setting menu to deactivate the AF assist lamp to shoot more discreetly at an event, or you can deactivate the sleep mode so that your off-camera flash doesn't turn off during a shoot. The Altura Photo AP-305 flash is very handy for use in many different shooting situations, like fast-paced events and weddings where you have to shoot in low light, or for any other time you want to add some creative lighting effects to your photo. Using the RT305 adds even more ways to create stunning images by allowing you to control your Altura Photo AP-305 flash off camera. It offers ease of use and reliability, and its compact size makes it portable for shooting on location. The Altura Photo flash and wireless trigger set makes a perfect gift for any budding photographer looking to learn about creative lighting techniques.